Hey, howdy everyone. Happy 2024. I'm here living the Canadian dream in the Midwest again. Hey, I get to fish some privileged water today. I can't tell you where it is actually. It's a retreat center. Some friends and I, for years, a bunch of us, like 20 to 30 guys, get together. I've known a lot of these guys 10, 20, even 30 years. And we get together for a weekend of fellowship and fun. And there's a nice spillway here. And I got here early. I'm gonna fish it. I know there's some crappie and bluegill and who knows what else in here. So we're gonna have a fun little session on this spillway. Got my little ultralight, boys. 2 pound on this guy, 4 pound on this guy. It's gonna fish some tiny stuff. I think I'll start without any bait. I got this little trout magnet head here with a little Nikko what's it, a maggot or a little larvae grub thing on it. It's got a name, I forget what it's called. Start about 3 feet down here and see what happens. Hey, look at that. That was the first cast and it feels pretty good. Sure does. I believe we got a crappie. Yeah, we do. Yeah, we do. Yeah, we do. Look at that. Pretty good crappie. Pretty good crappie. That's a beautiful creek crappie. On that little Nikko. That trout magnet head with a little Nikko Waxworm. Hey, a little catch and release fishing here on Groundhog Day. That's always fun. Oh yeah, happy Groundhogs Day to you all. There's another fish. Feels like another crappie to me. Or a tenacious bluegill. Or is that a bass? Oh wow. You know what? This might be a white or a yellow bass here. That's a good fighting fish. That's a good fighting fish. No way, dude. That's a nice white bass. That's a real nice one. Oh, these things fight so great. They fight so good. Yeah. Look at that. Oh. Give me these all day long, eh? All day. All day and twice on Sunday. Woo. Let him go to fight another day. All right, I'll fix my little buddy here. All it is, little trout magnet head, and you could catch 100 fish on that same body. That's what I love about Nikko bait so much. Paired up with those little trout magnets, they're awesome. There we go. That one was barely swimming with it. Look at that, species number 3. That is so cool. 3 fish, 3 species. I'll get you off there, bud. He was barely swimming with it. What have we here? Another crappie. Not quite as big as the first one. Look at the cool eyes on those things. Probably an 8 inch, maybe 8.5 inch fish. Pretty fish. He didn't know what was up. These fish have been fighting good too, considering the cold temperatures. What a great day. A great and glorious day it is. A weekend of fishing, fellowship, and fun. What's not to love? See, there's a big lake up on the other side of that dam, and this is the overflow from that lake. It's a pretty big lake. There's got to be more than 4 fish in here. Got to be a lot more. Having said that, now we know there's at least 5. I mean, these are nice. These are nice sized fish. It's a 9-inch fish. All blacks, no whites yet. Just 3 feet under, it's all I'm doing. Nothing too special or fancy. This is a little double jig setup. These are going to be tiny a little tungsten head. I'll put a little piece of bait on there. A little white hair jig. Put a piece of bait on there. This is 2-pound line. And this is a rod that one of my daughters had when they were young. And it's a short rod. It's only, I think, 4 feet long. If any of you watching are YouTubers, I'm curious, what's your favorite camera? I'm using a GoPro 9. It's the only one I've ever used. And I like it real well, but I don't really have anything to compare it to. Curious what you like. I got about an hour left, and then I'm gonna have to go meet the boys. Like I said, this tiny setup, they just all feel like champs. Yeah, we got another crappie here. On the top weight hair jig, the double jig setup. I love catching fish in little spillways like this. It's so fun. It's a perfect day. Okay, back to the Nikko. That's what's been producing for me so far. Gonna stick with what works here. I was at 5 fish on this one and 1 fish on that other, so that's kind of some simple math right there. 4-pound line versus 2-pound line. Usually not a big deal to the fish. Sometimes, but not always. But a lot better control. Ooh, I think there's a couple eagles over there. Yeah. Oh, we might get some sweet eagle footage here if they keep coming. Definitely 2 eagles over there. Oh, I hope they come this way. I just heard them. Eagles are fun. Means we're in America. A truly American Groundhogs Day it is. There we go. That feels like a decent fish. Oh yeah, I was just slowly retrieving it. I don't know what this is. Got a little bit of weight. Might be another white bass. I think it is. Yeah, that's not a crappie. I'll be shocked if that's a crappie. Oh, it's a largemouth. Cool. Hey, what a fun time we're having down here. Is it a largemouth? Wow, you know what? We got a spotted bass. Spotted bass, cool. Oh, that thing fought really good. Great colors on that thing too. That little Nikko Waxworm's doing the trick, huh? Sure is. That's awesome. 4 species, let's go. Let's go, people. Got that nice rough little tongue patch. I felt it as soon as I lipped them. Away he goes. Sweet. Oh, this is fun. This is so fun. Okay, let's go try somewhere new. Yeah, getting through here is kind of a challenge. It'll be worth it if we can get in some fish though. Look at this. Dead fish. Big dead fish. Another dead fish. Man, I wonder if there's some river otters in here. Another dead something. Clam. Something's been feasting here. Something's living large right here. But this looks like could be a fishy spot too. I just got whipped in the face real good. Ow, 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 ow. Stinking briars. Man, these things will get you every time. Goes right in the eye. In theory, there should be fish here. Ooh, this is slippery. Got to be real careful here. Really slippery. Since we already have bait on there, no, oh, that was a fish. That was a big fish too. What the heck? I thought I was on the bottom. Oh my gosh. Might have been a catfish. That was something big. Come on back. Now that's not a catfish. I just lost my setup. Gosh darn it. Well, guess what? That means I'm done. Not for good, just for today. Well, we had a great time. Let's go see the boys and see what sort of shenanigans and fun we can get into. Thanks for coming along.
Better be a bag full of cod.
Hey, what's that they say about fishing?
Bad day fishing's a good day living.
Big Phil. What's that they say about fishing, Phil? Bad days fishing?
It's a good day of life.
Bad Days Fishin' ain't a bad day. Oh, am I on camera?
Yeah.
Hey,
Oh,
look
number
at
one
that.
fan.
Came for
my experience.
That's not my rough day.
Hey.
It's so
Ever French
boring.
kissed together?
So bad days. Is that what you said when you came in?
Let's do it.
Okay.